I think a retreat shows you exactly where you stand. It's like a mirror. It shows you your problem.
And during the yoga monastery retreats, I feel that something is awakening in me. I'm really transforming myself. Each retreat is a huge transformation in me. Every time for me, I feel I don't want to leave this.
Where the young monks are preparing to become acharyas, they are full with inspiration, with joy.
When I was here the first time, I immediately fell in love with them. I was so happy to come back and meet them again because they are like gold nuggets, these boys here. Really, really.
I'm one of the few people from America here this year, and many people kept going, oh wow, you traveled so far. But I'll be honest, even halfway through the retreat, I felt that the trip was worth taking. And then the second half of the trip was even more awesome.
Especially for this retreat, that you can meditate with the monks and live with the monks and go in sauna with the monks. This is quite nice, or swimming.
Without a doubt, this is an awesome place. I mean, there are both fully trained Dadas and Didis, as well as a number of monks in training, and that team, I mean, one is they absolutely enhanced the meditation process in a wonderful, wonderful way that took me to levels that I've never experienced back when I practiced meditation by myself at home. And on top of that, I mean, they do absolutely anything and everything to make this trip awesome for everybody here.
I feel upgraded. Today we had a meditation and I feel really like I'm another person now.
I love people here because they're so open and open-minded, I would say, and also they're rational, they're clever, and also I feel that they're sincere with each other. I feel like we are already know each other for years, but we know each other for only a few days, and only after in one day you just feel that you are just like one family.
Everyone develops deep, genuine connections with each other, and there is this real sense of wanting to support each other and wanting the best, and I'm definitely going to be leaving this retreat with a number of new friends with whom I'm looking forward to maintaining the friendships and the connections. And if all of that isn't enough for you, I would strongly consider you to come here for the nature. I mean, you're already maybe seeing a little bit of it in this video, but the forest is absolutely beautiful, gorgeous lakes, so many, many reasons to come here. I think you only need one, so choose something and pull the trigger. This is really an awesome, awesome experience, and I don't think you can go wrong with it.